Hello there, Samurai. It's DavinchyFX. Let's get straight into it. So coming into the market today, I had an analysis marked since on Monday, and price has not yet tapped into our zone. You can see after price feeling bullish, I've been looking for price to get to my zone. You can see how super close it was, but it reacted off. But at the same time, we are looking to sit on our hands until price gets to our zone. So at that, I'm just looking patiently and waiting patiently for price to get to my EURUSD point of interest. Then I'll be looking to get a confirmation, then to buy. Moving on to the next pair is USD and GBPUSD. So GBPUSD also has been bullish, and you can see super close to the point of interest, and they just kept reacting. But at the same time, we'll be looking to sit on our hands until price gives us a reason to take action. So we'll just be looking to sit on our hands on this pair. Moving on to the next pair is GBPCAD. So for GBPCAD, it was formerly bullish, as you can see from here. You can see formerly bullish, then all of a sudden it flipped bearish. And I was waiting patiently for price to tap into my point of interest and get a confirmation to sell. But at the same time, I don't want price to get there during Asian session, right? So I want price to get into my zone 8 AM tomorrow morning as London session. Then what I'll be looking to sell. But if I'm looking to sell this pair, I'll be looking to sell only inside the zone. So it is currently bearish. Moving on to the next pair is USDCAD. So for USDCAD, it is also solidly bearish, as you can see. Price is close to my point of interest. I'm just looking to sit on my hands until price taps into my zone and gives me a confirmation. That's the only reason that I'll be looking to sell this pair. So this will be our target for our take profit, the structural low. As simple as it gets. So moving on to the next pair is USDCHF. So USDCHF, you can see it is also bearish. I'm waiting patiently for it to get to this zone. Then I'll be looking to sell this pair. This will be my take profit level, which happens to be our structural low. So as easy as it gets. So moving on to the next pair, AUD card. Yeah. So you can see AUD card. This is a beautiful previous setup records 123.86. So for now, we'll be looking to sit on our hands. It is currently bullish, and I'll be only looking to buy if price gets into this zone. So if price does not get to this zone, I'll be looking to sit on my hands and just watch what the market does. So moving on to the next pair is AUDNZD. So AUDNZD was previously bearish, as you can see. It sold from my zone, got to the TP, but it did not break the low. So it did not give us a new structural low. So it just wicked below the previous structural low, hit our TP, then it started retracing back. So I have a feeling that there is a likelihood that price will flip bullish before London session tomorrow. At the same time, I'm looking to sit on my hands and not do anything because price is still currently bearish. So our course for this pair is still bearish until this eye gets taken out. I mean, changing our course from bearish to bullish. So that is that for this pair. Moving on to the next pair, GBPJPY has been consolidated for a while now, which made me not develop no interest on the pair. So I'm just sitting on my hands on the pair for quite a while now. As you can see, it's not there yet still. As you can see, it is not, or it is super close to our zone. As you can see, super close. Well, it is not there yet, so we'll be looking to sit on our hands. And AUDJPY, let's check it out. It's been a while since I traded this pair. I'm not even sure if it has hit our TP. You can see after it flipped bullish over here, I marked out the 50% for it to come react to it. Then it came to our 50%. Then all of a sudden it came out and it started buying. Now it has taken out our structural high. as easy as it gets. Although I was looking for previous opportunities to be able to scale in, but price has been quite messy. Yeah, so let me just delete off previous tools. This was our 50% of the price range. So this is not our structural low anymore. This will be our new structural low. So this will be our new analysis on this pair. So where would we be looking to buy from if we were to buy this pair? If you are looking to buy this pair, let's see what's going on here. If there is no another retracement. Whoa. Let's see. Beautiful. Did price break above the eye? That's why you need to be very careful and conscious. So I think price broke above the eye. So this is another BUS to the upside because it gave us a valid pullback. So you need to open your eyes. You will not just be marking blindly. So this is where price flipped bearish for us. So it is no more bullish for us. It is now bearish. Then we're looking for a valid retracement. Let's see. Is this a valid retracement? No, not yet. So let's see if there's another valid retracement. Let's see. This is not a valid retracement over here. Not one. Let's see. You need to open your eyes. Okay. I think this broke below the low. The low of this is 114.094. Then the close of this is 114.094. So it's the same thing. The low and the close of this red candle is the same thing. So it did not break below this low. So let's look for a valid pullback then. There is no valid pullback, so it is still solidly bearish. This will be our structural low over here. This is our structural low over here. Where would I be looking to sell from? So let's see this. Let's come close. So if this is our structural low, so the low of this is 114.398. Then let's see what the close of this is. 114.401. Let's see if I'm not mistaken. 114.398. 114.401. So this closed below. Yeah, this closed below. Send 1, 2, 3. Then this is a valid pullback for us. Let's see. So yeah, so from here let's see if there's another valid pullback. The low of this is 114.094. The close of this is 114.094. 114.094. 114.094. Okay. So the pullback was not valid until now. So if you're looking to sell this pair, we'll be looking to sell this pair from here. So this is where I'll be looking to sell this pair if I want to sell. Then this will be my structural eye. That would not want that if it gets broken above, then I'll be looking to buy. So but for now, analysis on this pair is purely what to sell. So this is my analysis on AUSD as easy as it gets. Then moving on to the next pair is Let's go to gold. So gold is currently bearish for me until it says otherwise before I can look to buy it. Until it says otherwise before I can look to buy it. So currently it is bearish, and you can see how super close it is to my zone. So I can resize my zone to something like this. So if I'm looking to sell this pair, I would only think of selling if price gets to that zone. Let's look at this. The eye is, let's move this for me. So the eye is 4467.22. Then the close of this, $4464.64. No, not that. I'm talking about this. The eye is 4456.85. Close 4457. 4456. So that's the difference. So this will be our structural low over here. So if I'm looking to sell this pair, this is where I'll be looking to sell from on gold XAUUSD. So for crypto traders, let's check out crypto for you. BTCUSD. So for BTCUSD, it is still currently bearish for me. This is my only valid point of interest if I'm looking to sell this pair. So for ETHUSD, you guys should see the BTCUSD very well. Then for ETHUSD, this is the only zone I'll be looking to sell this pair from. So I marked this as my Asia eye before, but not necessarily. But this is where I'll be looking to sell this pair from if I want to sell it. So it's not a must, it must get there. But at the same time, you need to stay disciplined enough. This was my previous zone I was looking to. This is how wide my zone was. I think I'll be going with the wider zone over here. So let's say this is my zone if, so this will just be like liquidity, the price will sweep before tapping into this main zone. But at the same time, if this structural eye gets taken out, this eye over here, if this eye gets taken out, then we'll be looking to change our bias from bearish to bullish. So that's how easy as it is. So see you lot in the next video.